Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you pomfret fish curry with poppy seeds paste. It's called posto pomfret. I hope you will like this recipe. Here I have 3 medium size of pomfret. I already cleaned and washed them and I slitted. Mustard oil. I have taken chopped onion, yogurt, tomato puree, turmeric powder, salt, red chili powder, poppy seeds paste. I added 2 green chilies into the poppy seeds, ginger garlic paste, Nigeria seeds or kalo jeera, cumin powder, coriander powder and garam masala. Let's marinate the fish with some salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, leave it for 10 minutes. On the gas, keep the flame medium, add some oil, fry the fish. Fry both sides, just shallow fry. Flip the other side carefully. Now remove them and keep aside. In the same pan, I will add Nigeria seeds, 1 tablespoon. I will keep half tablespoon for garnishing. Add chopped onion. Keep stirring until it's golden. Now onion is brown, I will add ginger garlic paste. Stir it. Add turmeric powder, half tablespoon. Add tomato paste. Water. Add red chili powder, 1 tablespoon. One tablespoon cumin powder, coriander powder, keep stirring until oil is not separating from the masala. Now I will add yogurt, add some water. Make sure to turn off the flame before you add it. Mix it well. Keep stirring for a few minutes. Adjust the flame as you need. Now add poppy seeds paste. Mix it well. Add salt according to taste. Cover it for 2 minutes. Keep the flame medium. See, oil is separating from the masala. Now we'll add garam masala. Add some water. Cover it for few seconds until it's not boiling and keep the flame low. Let's check. Now I will add fried fishes one by one. Cover it for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, flip it to other side. Cover it for 2 more minutes. Our posto pomfret is done. Now turn off the gas. Take another pan. Add half tablespoon of mustard oil, 1 dried red chili, and remaining nigella seeds. Just saute for a few seconds. Turn off the gas. Now I am going to garnish with fried red chili and nigella seeds. Our posto pomfret is ready. Try to make it at home. It's very tasty. Serve with steamed rice. If you like this recipe, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.